Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring OhMyPretty. Big thank you to OhMyPretty for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have their upgraded V-part. This is a thin part V-part wig. This is a contour with removable combs inside. I do have a adjustable elastic band with silicone grip as well as clips. So everything you need for security in this wig is there. So here I am just showing you the construction. I'm going to cut off this string here that I get a lot of questions about, but you do remove that before you install your wig. So this is my braid pattern. We are going to do a no leave out install today. This is my first time doing a no leave out V part. So let's jump right into this. I'm so excited. So boom, I put the wig on and I'm going to use a crochet needle and I'm going to take pieces from the wig where the V is and I'm going to pull those under my braid and over. So I'm going to pull it under with the crochet needle, and once I pull it under and over the braid, that is going to conceal all the braids, and that's what's going to give me the no leave out install. So I'm going to do that on both sides, pull it through and flip it over. And I love this method. I can't believe I've never tried this before. But I'm just going to continue to do that, and then I'm going to move along and style the hair. So for this hair, this is a kinky curly hair, so you can get a very full look. This is 180 density, but as you can see, these curls are very defined and uniform, so you do want to pull these apart to get a more natural look. Once you fluff it out, this hair gets so big and so pretty. So I'm going to continue to do this. There is not much to it. Like I stated, I put the crochet needle under my braid. Once I pull it through on the other side, I take a piece of hair, I put that in the hook, latch it closed and pull it under the braid, and just repeat that process. So I will be back in a little bit. So at this point, I'm getting closer to finishing this crochet part. So I want to talk to you a little bit about this hair. I love this kinky curly texture because it is a natural looking texture. This is a realistic looking wig. And the beauty of this being a no leave out install is you do not have to manipulate your leave out with product or heat or anything. And it blends perfectly because there's no hair to blend it. So here I'm just combing the curls out, and this is going to make the hair very big, and after I do that I will wet it down. That's what's going to bring the curl pattern back, and then I use a little bit of mousse and curl defining oil, but those are the only products that I used in this hair. So surprisingly, the hair was very soft, and to be kinky curly I was able to comb this out without a lot of issues. I do have this in 20 inches, and on the website you can purchase this from 8 inches all the way to 30 inches. So 8 being the shortest and 30 being the longest. So here I'm using my continuous spray bottle. The only thing in here is water, and I'm going to wet this hair down, and then I will use a Denman brush to brush this hair out and get those curls to pop. this might be the most work out of the entire install, and it's just defining the curls. But it's definitely worth it because once you do this, you're basically good. It's like a wash and go, and your hair will be defined for quite a few days. So as you can see, I'm working this product into the hair and the curls are starting to pop back and they are so juicy. This hair is absolutely beautiful. And as I'm brushing it through, you see the ringlets coming back. Yes, I will be cutting a few layers into this hair, just, you know, just so that it frames my face better. So I am going to have all details down below in the description box in case you are interested and you want to check this out. If I have a discount code, that will be in the comment section as well as the description box. But I am loving this. For this to be my first time, I think this is the only way I will install my curly V parts now, because I do like the look where you blend your leave out with the curls, but any time that I don't have to tussle with leave out, I'm going to choose to not every single time. Leave out is just an extra step. So as you can see, these curls are coming back and they're so pretty. So here I'm using the diffuser. This is what's going to give me that big body, that volume that I want, and fluff out the curls. So this is where I start to cut, you know, just a little bit of the hair in the front, just so it falls and frames my face. I did do like kind of like a bang, but not really. I wasn't trying to give Night Stalker hair, but I did want to cut like some bang like layers in the front. So I'm just going to finish by continuing to diffuse the hair till it is my desired look, and that is really it. I'm going to have everything that I use linked down in the description box. This hair is absolutely beautiful, y'all. I've worked with OhMyPretty quite a few times. I will have the other videos linked at the end of this in case you want to check out some other textures. So yeah, I will have those videos linked at the end of this one. Don't forget to like, comment. Let me know what you think about this look, and thank you to OhMyPretty for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.